The operator of Japan's crippled Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant has begun testing the equipment to discharge nuclear contaminated water into the Pacific amid fierce opposition from home and abroad. Fears of nuclear contamination are growing as many are worried that the environmental impact will be irreversible and cannot be tested.
一旦放出された放射性物質を元に戻すことはできません。放射性物質は集中管理しかないじゃないですか。それを海に放出してもう二度と管理できないようにする、こんなことを許してはなりません。
きれいな海を返してください。きれいなふるさと返してください。放射能汚染水水に流すな、海に流すな。
汚染水内のトリチウムは海水から海藻、魚というような植物連鎖を経由して人体に取り込まれ、体内においてベータ線放出、いわゆる内部被曝によって健康に悪影響を与える可能性を高めることになります。また、本社の言う保管場所がないためという理由には根拠がありません。また、この汚染水の海洋放出は海洋汚染から海洋環境を守るための条約、いわゆるロンドン条約を踏みにじる行為です。
According to Japanese media, the test run of the discharge facility is expected to last for around 2 weeks, sparking a stir online. On Saturday, Japanese Industry Minister Yasutoshi Nishimura met with local fisheries representatives to seek their understanding for the planned release in Mito, Ibaraki Prefecture, where representatives expressed grave concerns over the move, saying we're absolutely opposed to the release. According to the Asahi Shimbun, one of the 4 most prominent newspapers in Japan, the Japanese government handed a document to the Fukushima Prefectural Fisheries Cooperative Association in 2015, in which the government pledged it will not dispose of treated water without gaining the understanding of those concerned. However, Masami Tobita, chairman of the Fisheries Cooperative Association, said the government's planned countermeasures against unfounded rumors fall far short of what we requested. We are dead set against the water release plan.